I started out in law school really interested in criminal defense, but at the personal injury side for me and criminal defense go hand in hand. You're representing people who have either been accused of something or have been injured against the state of Oklahoma or a giant insurance company or a corporation. So it's kind of like I've always been for the little guy, is how I've always viewed my legal career. Personal injury really came from internships and things. I got into interning with a firm that did a lot of personal injury, and I thought it was interesting, seeing people who are hurt and really don't have any money, don't really have a whole lot of hope or need help. And that is it goes hand in hand with the way I think of things, is like, let's see if we can get them some help. And at the same time, it's good money when it's there. So I just felt like it was better than a go and bill, X number of hours at X number of dollars per hour. I think it's a little more meaningful for me. Being a trial attorney is definitely a lot different than your normal just corporate lawyer that's going to go down and read contracts and things. Being a trial lawyer is very difficult. It's probably the hardest thing in our profession, because juries are very they're unpredictable. You don't know what a jury's going to do, and no one does, not even the best trial lawyers. But extremely stressful, because oftentimes we're working on a contingency fee, which means all the time, all the money, all the effort we have as an office and with my partner in a case, it's all on the line. So it's either you win or you really lose big as a firm, but also the clients, they're counting on you for a win, and so the pressure is very high, the stakes are high, and it's a lot of stress. But the wins are fun, and I guess the gamble of it is fun. It's exciting, and plus it's just I think it's exciting to go to court and see if you can outmaneuver the other side. I unfortunately do like that pressure, I think. I don't know why. I'm starting to figure out it's harder and harder, because the bigger we grow, the more pressure it is. The bigger cases we get, the more cases we get. And even with some of the younger attorneys or less experienced attorneys, they're coming to me for advice. And so I feel a tremendous amount of pressure in my job, but I also, I don't know what I'd do without that pressure either.